You can change you can edit and modify the 2D shape as well. Most of the time, whatever you do, you want to make your changes right away visible in the 2D and be reflected in the 3D. But there are specific scenarios when you would like to edit the 2D shape of the staircase without modifying the stair itself. And this situation, I think it's better described with another shape, which is the first one that we have created here. See, now there's an issue with this stair. If I go above this stair, there is a hole.
So that's the second floor.
Yeah.
Right.
Now I should see the staircase. Let me just find another view. In this view, you can see that it is reaching only this platform. I would like to reach that platform as well. So how to recreate this whole thing? First things first, I can go back. I use page up and page down, or I can use this here. So I select this, and I tell the software, okay, make a copy of this, duplicate it to level 1. This is the ground floor, this is level 1, this is level 2. So I just duplicate that. Okay, I'm fine, that's okay. I can reach the following floor. But again, if I go to this floor above from here, this should be represented somehow, but I do not want to duplicate the staircase, because once I do that, if I select that and I go to copy objects to other floors, okay, let's just do that. Copy, then physically a staircase appears, and I don't want
so
to
you only
that.
need the two-dimensional block to signify that there's a stair over there, but you don't want them to be shown in 3D, right?
Yeah, actually there is a wonderful solution for that. You can just select this staircase, go to the properties, go to the support where we just turned these settings later, and then here you can tell the software that this should not be represented in 3D at all. So this should still behave as a staircase, because I would like to change the 2D shape. I don't want to see this section line.
Yes,
I would like to represent
to
it somehow
that.
different. So I go back, and then I go to the stair properties, and here I don't want to see this option, but I would like to see something that is without section line. And while we are here, I can also show you two other things that I think is useful in most of the time. And this is the show geometry text. This is actually just summarizing the calculations of the geometrical data that is in the stair calculator. It's calculated here. And also you can visualize the, where is the line, the numbering. Yeah, this is it here. So you can set up the numbering, so you don't have to count the
yes, so you know
steps.
exactly how many steps you have there. So if you want to go back to change them one by one, then you know where to start.
Yeah. So that's how this whole thing works. So now I don't have a duplicate here in the 3D. I can still see the 2D. And for example, this could be a situation where I don't want to see a full circle here. I would like to edit the stair shape, but I don't want to edit the stair itself. So in that case, I can go to the local menu of the staircase, and I can say that I would like to edit the stair symbol components one by one, perhaps like a group. I can click on that, and then there is this information here coming up automatically. So now the 2D shape is kind of detached. It's just a ghost of the original shape. Whatever I do with this one, it won't be reflected in the 3D if this would have any sort of 3D. I just go and edit this group, and from this point on, I could work on this one like on a regular group. I can remove parts. I can just draw new lines. I can change any sort of things, and then when I click here, just right-click here and say, okay, close this whole group. Then I'm finished with the editing. And whenever I click on it again, it tells me that yes, this is a stair, but with a modified detached 2D.
The 2D block is unlinked from the 3D model, right?
Yeah. To fully cover this issue here, there is sometime an opportunity. There is sometime an issue or an event when you would like to get back to the original stair shape because of any sort of advantage. That you can do that. You can right-click here, and you can say, okay, I would like to restore the stair symbol. So in that case, whatever I have done here is reset, and then now this works as a fully operational staircase.